Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best wall plugs is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components of our modern lives, silently powering everything from our smartphones to our home entertainment systems, and choosing the right one can significantly impact safety, convenience, and the overall functionality of your living or working space, making this seemingly simple decision surprisingly crucial for a seamless daily experience. Number 5. QINLIANF 5-Outlet Extender Wall Charger Surge Protector. This innovative wall charger secures directly onto your duplex outlet, transforming it into a versatile power hub. It provides 5 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, all in one compact unit. The secure screw ensures it stays firmly in place, preventing accidental disconnections. Its thoughtful groove design allows it to sit flush against the wall, perfect for any duplex receptacle. With 2.1 inches of space between each of its 5 AC outlets, you can easily plug in all your equipment, even bulky adapters. This wider spacing is a significant improvement over standard sockets. This device features 4 smart USB ports, including both USB-A and USB-C, delivering a total of 4.8 amps. It automatically detects your connected devices and provides the optimal charging speed. This ensures your Kindle and most other USB devices charge efficiently and safely. Protect your valuable electronics with its advanced 3-level complementary surge protector circuit. With a minimum 1680J energy-absorbing capacity, it offers faster and more reliable protection than many other brands. This robust system safeguards your devices from unexpected power surges. Rest assured with its ETL certification, guaranteeing safety and quality. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Plus, it comes with a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This unit offers extensive power options with multiple AC and USB ports, including USB-C. Its secure wall-mounted design ensures stability and prevents accidental disconnections. If you need a robust, fixed charging station for a busy area and want superior surge protection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted. Number 4. Sleek Socket Flat Ultra-Thin Outlet Concealer Kit. It's great for kitchens, small spots, and behind furniture. This kit helps you discreetly hide your entire outlet, enhancing your home decor. Its flat extension cord provides a sleek solution for managing plugs and cables, creating a clutter-free environment. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe bulky plugs and cords. This ultra-thin, wall-hugging device blends seamlessly with your wall, making you forget it's even there. It enhances your home's visual appeal while providing a practical solution for managing outlets. Installation is incredibly simple, no tools required. Just attach it to the top receptacle of a duplex outlet like a traditional plug. This user-friendly design allows for quick and easy setup, perfect for simplifying your home without a DIY project. It includes an adhesive cord concealer kit with double-sided, removable strips and clips. These neatly secure the cord to the wall, keeping it organized and out of sight. You deserve a simple, cost-effective solution for tidy cords. This device works with all standard duplex outlet sizes that feature a round ground pin below the flat pins. This ensures a versatile fit for various setups, whether in your kitchen or behind furniture. It offers a reliable fit, keeping your space neat and efficient. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also provides more usable outlets. This 3-foot standard outlet concealer includes a convenient 3-outlet power strip. You get expanded power access while maintaining a tidy space. Designed in the USA by a family-owned small business, it meets the highest safety requirements. It has safety certifications under all applicable UL standards. You can trust its quality and reliability for your home. What we like. This innovative design completely conceals your outlet and cords, blending seamlessly with your wall. Its ultra-thin profile is perfect for tight spaces behind furniture, eliminating unsightly clutter. If you prioritize aesthetics and a clean, organized look in your home, this is the ideal solution. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 3. TESSAN Flat Plug Power Strip with USB-C. Introducing a versatile power solution for your home or office. This innovative device is designed to streamline your charging needs and protect your valuable electronics. It features robust 900 joule surge protection, along with overload and short-circuit safeguards. This ensures your electronics are comprehensively protected, with an automatic shut-off during overloads. With 4 AC outlets, 1 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, it allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. This reduces your waiting time and keeps all your gadgets powered. Its USB-A ports deliver 2.4A max, while the USB-C port provides a powerful 3A max. This ensures all your cell phones, tablets, and earphones get the fast, efficient charge they need. The ultra-flat 0.31-inch plug head and 45-degree right-angle design allow it to fit seamlessly in tight spaces. You can easily hide it behind furniture without blocking other wall outlets. Equipped with 2 wall mount holes and 4 rubber feet, it offers flexible installation options. You can securely place it on workbenches, walls, or under counters, preventing slips and slides. What we like. This power strip features a convenient 5-foot flat extension cord, allowing it to easily fit behind furniture and reach distant outlets. It provides 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including USB-C, with reliable surge protection. If you need flexibility in placement and comprehensive device protection for your home or office, this is a great option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. TESSAN 8-in-1 USB-C charger block. This charger block features 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, offering flexible charging options for your devices. It provides a total output of 15 W, ideal for most everyday gadgets. Please note, it's not designed for high-power electronics. Expand your power options with this 8-in-1 wall plug. It provides 4 AC outlets, supporting up to 1875 W, alongside its 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C. You can charge up to 8 devices simultaneously, meeting all your multi-device needs. Its innovative foldable prong design protects the plug from damage and prevents scratches to your other items. This compact feature also allows it to fit effortlessly into pockets, bags, or tight spaces, making it incredibly portable. Perfect for your next cruise, this multiple outlet wall plug comes without surge protection, making it cruise ship friendly. Its small size and light weight mean it fits easily into your luggage or backpack, ensuring you stay powered on the go. Featuring a unique 4-sided outlet design, this charging block allows you to plug in 4 large adapters without any blocking. It also fits into the lower wall outlet without obstructing the one above, maximizing your available space. What we like. This compact and portable charger block boasts a unique foldable plug, making it incredibly travel-friendly and easy to store without scratching other items. It offers 4 AC and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, without surge protection, making it safe for cruise ships. If you're a frequent traveler or need a compact, multi-port charger for various locations, this is your go-to. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 1. TESSAN Multi-Plug Outlet Extender with USB. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your charging needs. This innovative device transforms a single wall outlet into multiple power sources, keeping your space tidy and connected. Say goodbye to bulky adapters blocking adjacent sockets. Its clever design ensures all 4 electrical outlets are widely spaced, allowing you to plug in everything you need simultaneously. It also features 3 convenient USB ports, including a powerful USB-C. These ports intelligently detect your devices to deliver optimal charging speeds, perfect for phones and tablets. Installation is a breeze thanks to its stabilizing rod, ensuring a firm and secure fit to your wall. You won't have to worry about it falling off, providing reliable power wherever you need it. This compact power hub transforms one wall socket into a versatile 7-in-1 charging station. It provides 4 widely spaced AC outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing you to power up to 7 devices simultaneously. Its versatile design makes it ideal for any indoor setting, from your living room to the office or dorm room. Keep your spaces organized and powered with this essential accessory. What we like. This wall plug extender features widely spaced outlets, ensuring all your bulky plugs can fit simultaneously without obstruction. Its stabilizing rod design provides a firm, secure fit to the wall, preventing it from falling off. If you have multiple large adapters and want a stable, clutter-free power solution directly on your wall, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Please provide source reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.